This video is a quick tutorial on how to use our CaseCheck service. CaseCheck is a way for the doctor to verify that the restoration is being designed as requested. All right, so this video is just simply going to show how to use this viewer. Now, this obviously has a 2D photo. If you had a face scanner, then you would be able to rotate this and see this in different angles. The 2D photo is right here on the left. It's called 2D images. You can turn that off. And then you can do another evaluation of the prosthesis that we designed and what the records were that came in. So here are the layers on the left. The preoperative scan, this is the record that was submitted for us to work with. Okay, and then the other item here right below it, generally right below it is merged parts. That is what we've designed as the prosthesis. So we follow the RX, we use the study model, and then we provide this as the proposal for the restoration that we're going to fabricate or send you the file for. So the nice thing is you can spin this in different directions. You can make sure that we have designed everything properly according to your instructions in your study model. You can even turn off the prosthesis and the study. You can evaluate your own models, your impressions, your posing. You can even have a look to confirm that your bite was as it was recorded. So you can make a nice analysis here, and then when you're finished, whether you have feedback for changes or just approval, let us know, and off we go to making you a restoration. Thank you.